Trying to harden your home against threats, but not sure where to begin? Let's walk through a solid lineup of home defense tools that'll transform your residence into a near-impenetrable fortress. If the idea of facing down a burglar in your own living room doesn't sit right, you might want to start by reinforcing your entry point specifically, with security doors that are built to take a beating. These aren't just your average front doors. They're engineered to withstand serious physical abuse. Even if someone tries to boot it open or take a swing with a baseball bat, they're going to be disappointed. While they won't stop a career criminal with time and tools, they're more than capable of stopping the average smash and grab intruder. These CRMF doors also offer extra perks beyond keeping people out. They let fresh air in while keeping pests out. And they're ideal for storm-prone areas. Whether it's high winds or fire risk, these heavy-duty doors provide serious peace of mind. Next, let's talk locks. The Haven Connect is a floor-mounted smart lock that's about 10 times stronger than a traditional deadbolt. It was designed by veterans from United States Special Operations, so you know it's built with real-world threats in mind. This lock sits at the base of your door and uses a mechanical wedge that pushes back against force from the outside. Basically, the harder someone tries to kick in your door, the more the system pushes back. It's controlled, installs in minutes, and can be activated by stepping on a pressure-sensitive pad or with a tap on your phone. You can send digital keys to family or friends, monitor door activity in real time, and get alerts if someone tries to force it open. It's all protected with Department of Defense-grade encryption, so you don't have to worry about digital vulnerabilities either. Now here's a clever way to keep a firearm close at hand when you're asleep. Instead of keeping your gun in a drawer or under the bed, this hidden headboard safe lets you store a shotgun or rifle right behind your pillow, literally. With a firm push on the spring-loaded panel, your firearm drops into your hands in an instant. This concealment headboard can hold any long gun up to 45 inches, including a fully loaded AR-15 with a 30-round magazine. It comes in different sizes, but the basic queen-size version has a flat panel design that's about 60 inches wide and 10 inches deep. And don't worry about bonking your head in your sleep. It takes more force than a sleepy headbutt to open the thing. So accidental deployment isn't a real concern. Remember those old-school alarm systems that just scream into the void while someone makes off with your valuables? Well, the Protect Fog security system does things a little differently. This beast unleashes a thick, blinding cloud of white fog the second it's triggered. Within seconds, the entire room becomes a visibility nightmare, zero sight lines. If someone breaks in and thinks they're going to loot your home, they're going to be stumbling blind in a matter of seconds. The fog lingers for up to an hour, giving law enforcement plenty of time to arrive. And don't worry, it's completely safe for your pets and won't damage electronics or furniture. Pair it with a 120 decibel alarm and a flashing strobe light, and now you've got a full-on sensory assault system. The blinding lights and deafening sound leave intruders stunned, disoriented, and ready to bolt. And now for something straight out of a battlefield playbook, the perimeter defense mine. It's not an actual explosive, of course, but when triggered, it blasts out a burst of compressed carbon dioxide that delivers a shocking bang loud enough to scare off just about anyone. And if you really want to make sure the message sticks, you can load it with pepper balls for a little extra attitude. Getting it to go off is easy. You can hook it up with a tripwire or a motion sensor for hands-off operation, or trigger it remotely if you've got eyes on the intruder through your cameras. One push of the button and you're sending a clear signal. This house doesn't play around. So you've cracked your front door open to let in a breeze, and suddenly someone tries to shove their way inside. Not exactly the welcome you had in mind. That's where the Phantom Defender steps in. It's a modern answer to the old-school chain lock, engineered to stop home invaders from barging in when the door is partially opened. Switching it from passive mode to secure mode is simple. Just slide the magnetic housing left or right with your foot. In its locked position, the device aligns with a reinforced floor pin, keeping the door from swinging past the narrow conversation gap. That means you can speak to whoever's on the other side without putting yourself at risk of being rushed. This system can absorb up to 500 pounds of brute force, including impacts from sledgehammers. Installation? Easier than you think. Drill one small hole, drop it in, and just like that, your doorway becomes a defensive checkpoint. Next up, we've got a heavy hitter in the world of less lethal home protection, the salt gun. This launcher fires chemical projectiles at speeds up to 350 feet per second. Instead of traditional ammunition, it uses rounds packed with a fine powder that detonates on contact. Think of it like getting smacked by a baseball flying at 50 miles per hour, only now add ghost pepper extract to the mix. The active compound oloricin capsicum is the same brutal agent found in high-end pepper sprays, and Salt claims it's even stronger than what the Department of Homeland Security and U.S. military often use. Upon impact, it triggers violent coughing, temporary blindness, and severe skin irritation, but without lasting damage. The effects last about 30 minutes, giving you time to escape or call for help. With a 5-round magazine and a carbon dioxide canister capable of 25 shots, this launcher has a range of 150 feet, far exceeding most tasers or pepper sprays. It's intuitive, low recoil, and ideal for anyone uncomfortable with owning a traditional firearm. Ever get that uneasy feeling in a hotel room? Wondering who else might have a key card or whether the lock could be picked? That's where this simple little gadget, the Yatalock, comes in handy. It's a pocket-sized door jammer that you can install in seconds to physically prevent entry from anyone outside, even if they've got a key. It's perfect for inward opening, hinge-style doors, and it's small enough to fit in your carry-on. It's also TSA compliant, although you might get a second glance from airport security. For frequent travelers, digital nomads, or college students, this thing is a game changer. And at just under $20, it's cheaper than a weekend coffee habit, but gives you peace of mind every night you sleep away from home. Now let's talk about something out of a sci-fi shooter, a 12-gauge smart shotgun that looks more like something from a futuristic video game than your granddad's scattergun. The MP-155 Ultima is a modernized version of the classic MP semi-auto hunting shotgun, but this one comes tricked out with a built-in onboard computer. The digital display in the buttstock tracks shot count, firing rate, accuracy, and even keeps time. You've also got a compass and GPS module built right into the unit. A video camera mounted to the barrel allows shot recording, while integrated Wi-Fi can sync with smart devices. It features a modular stock that can be swapped for a bird's head grip, and extended controls that make it more versatile for tactical applications. With the magazine capacity of 7 rounds plus 1 in the chamber, this shotgun is more than just a flashy gimmick, it's a functional tool. Price tag? Just shy of $1,400. And for those of you into true next-level home security, check out this remote-operated defense turret, straight out of a Call of Duty kill streak. This system mounts a non-lethal air launcher onto a motorized gimbal controlled via camera feed. The main weapon is a .68 caliber launcher that can fire either solid kinetic rounds or pepper projectiles. It's designed to stop intruders in their tracks painfully, but without the risk of fatal injury. The onboard hopper can hold up to 155 rounds, although most incidents won't require more than a few well-placed shots. Once an alarm is triggered, it takes about 20 seconds for a control room operator to arm and engage the system far faster than most emergency services could even dispatch a team. With the right camera setup, you could monitor and defend your property in real time, no matter where you are. Warning: serious injury risk. These fence spikes mean business. Built to last through the worst weather, these intimidating strips are designed to keep unwanted visitors off your property. The Stega strip system features tough, molded plastic that mimics the menacing look of wrought iron. While the material is harmless to touch, its jagged appearance acts as a powerful psychological barrier. One look, and any would-be trespasser or climber knows they're not welcome. The system comes in two versions: the standard barrier strip and the rotor-style spinning block. Each unit is 50 centimeters long and tough enough to withstand constant sun exposure and downpours. Installation is a breeze for anyone with basic tools and a little hands-on know-how. Next, here's one of the strangest but smartest home defense systems we've seen in a while: Zero Vision. This high-tech security unit doesn't just watch intruders, it overwhelms them. Once it detects unauthorized movement, it unleashes a thick, blinding fog that immediately disrupts visibility, making it impossible for the bad guy to see where they're going. But this isn't just a fog machine. It's tied into a camera network that streams footage back to a centralized monitoring center, where trained operators determine if a threat is real. If they confirm it, the system launches the fog and notifies law enforcement at the same time. It's designed to blend into your living space, looking like a typical smart home device, and yes, you can install it yourself in under an hour. Now let's talk personal defense. If you're looking for a non-lethal option that gives you a serious tactical edge, check out the Taser Bolt 2. This concealed carry stun gun is built from impact-resistant polymer and shaped nothing like a standard pistol, so it doesn't raise eyebrows. It fires up to 15 feet away, giving you a buffer between yourself and a threat. But if things get up close and personal, it also has a direct contact stun mode. When it hits, it locks up an attacker's muscles for as long as 30 seconds, plenty of time to escape or get help. The Bolt 2 also includes a 210 lumen flashlight and a red laser sight that activate when the safety switch is flipped, giving you better target acquisition under stress. And when paired with the Axon Protect app, it uses your smartphone's GPS to alert emergency services as soon as it's fired. Fast, smart, and reliable, just what you want in a life or death moment. Let's kick it up another notch. The Sunflower Labs Beehive is a futuristic home security drone system designed for serious perimeter surveillance. This isn't your average drone. It's fully autonomous and smart enough to coordinate with your home's existing cameras and motion sensors. Once triggered, it lifts off from its charging hub and is airborne in seconds. Under ideal weather conditions, the Bee drone can reach any corner of a 4-acre property in less than half a minute. Flight time averages 20 minutes. And when it returns to base, it docks itself precisely for a fresh recharge. Video from the drone streams directly into your security system and is transmitted through an encrypted, direct point-to-point link to avoid interference or hacking. The cost of this system depends on your property size and setup, but if you're after top-tier surveillance, this is about as advanced as it gets. To close things out, just remember that protecting your home isn't only about the gear. It's about securing peace of mind. Take the time to invest in tools that match your needs. Stay sharp and always make safety a priority for yourself and those you care about. Thanks for sticking around, and until next time, keep safe and keep your guard up.